This is a complete beginner guide to Zoom in 2026. So the very first thing that you need to do is download the Zoom Workplace from your App Store or Play Store, just like this. And then from there, what you're going to do is simply open it, right? So after doing that, there will be the option of joining or hosting meeting, just like this, right? So if you want to host a meeting, you'll need to create yourself an account. But if you just want to join in, you can simply tap on join. And in here, you can add in your meeting ID, your name, and then you can select whether you want to connect your audio or whether you want your video to be turned on or off, and then simply tap on join in order to join somebody else's meeting, right? So if you want to host your own, you'll need to tap on the option meet right here. And if you do not have your account, there will be the further process of how you'll be able to create yourself an account on your Zoom. And then from there, here you can now select whether you want your video to be on or not, and in here whether you want a personal meeting ID to be created or not. Then you can tap on start meeting, and then from there, now anyone who do have the link, who do have your Zoom meeting link, will be able to join your meeting, right? So in here, all you need to do is tap on start. If you do not want your mic to be turned on, you can tap on it and disable it, tap on start. And now then from here, there are a lot of things that you can do as a host, right? So if you want to mute someone, you can also do that. If you tap on more, you can tap on participants. You'll be able to see all of your participants. If you do not want them to if you do not want their video or mic to be turned on, you can simply tap on the microphone option, just like this, and mute them or do something like that, right? So as a host, there's a lot of things that you can do. So in here, if you are on a meeting room and if you want to take notes, we have a latest feature. If you tap on this icon right here, pencil like icon, now you'll be able to take notes through your Zoom AI. And in there, that's just in this meeting for now and for all. And in here, there's also a lot of things that you can do, like you can schedule your own meeting, just like this, and your scheduled meeting will automatically be started. And in here, if you simply tap on the search icon right here, now you'll be able to start searching your exact message, any sort of contacts, chats, and channels. In here you can search meetings, files, and everything on your Zoom, right? So in here we also have this mail option. If you tap on that one, you can actually connect your Zoom to your mail. And yeah, these are all of the things, the very, very basic things that you can actually do on Zoom. So that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.